Hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So in this video we'll be discussing about the IBM Recruitment Drive 2021. So before discussing further, as usual, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus. And also we are making the videos regarding latest off campus preparation like how to prepare for the written test and the technical HR interview for the Accenture, for Capgemini, for TCS, like the big MNC and the startup for the startup company we are discussing. And also right now Lenovo is hiring for the role of web development intern or the front end intern position and for the Bangalore location. So I'll be putting this apply link as well in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for this company as well. So now let's discuss about the IBM off campus, about its eligibility, etc. And one more thing I need to highlight here, I've seen that most of the candidates are asking like suppose you are uploading the video in the YouTube right now, and after just few seconds I have seen that most of the candidates are asking like whether MCA candidates are eligible or not, whether mechanical candidates are eligible or not. So I am requesting all of you to please watch our videos at least for 1 minute, otherwise you can go through the description etc through the apply link, because it is not possible for us to reply back in time. So I am requesting all of you please watch the video, otherwise check the description for the eligibility criteria. So now let's discuss. So this is the career portal of IBM. So it is hiring for the associate consultant job profile. So now let's discuss about the roles, responsibilities and the other things. So before discussing about the role responsibilities, let's discuss about the eligibility criteria, which is one of the most important thing. So the key job details are like they're hiring for the Bangalore location, and category is the technical specialist, that means technical job it is. Then required education is the bachelor's degree. So position type is the entry level, that means it is for the freshers or experienced candidates, those who are having 0 to up to certain experience level. Later we'll be discussing about the experience. Then employment type is the full-time employment, and the contract type is the regular, so it is a permanent job. Then travel required is no, other things company requisition ID etc we all know it is not required. So now let's discuss about the responsibilities. So studying the exciting business process, end user support to resolve any specific challenge faced by the customers across the process, understand of the requirements, business process, customers provide the solution from the process standpoint, etc. So now let's discuss what the other required skills here, because later we can go through all the responsibilities, other things. So these are the required skills here. So good understanding of SAP product portfolio, good understanding and of the respective industry or the line business process, fundamental experience on SD, MM or FI, then technical knowledge of SAP, BW or BW4 HANA etc will be plus, it is not mandatory. Then technical expertise on the SAP basically. Then experience required is 0 to 2 years. That means 0 to 2 years of experienced candidates can apply for this off campus, and should have studied the ERP system or SAP architecture as part of their academic or technical course curriculum. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Then two simulation projects in the absence of live project experience. So now let's discuss about the preferred technical or the professional expertise or the experience required for this off-campus. Then strong communication or the professional skill, SAP certification would be plus, but it is not mandatory. Then degree B, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech candidates can apply. BSc or any other qualification background apart from these described or mentioned qualification or degree are not eligible for this off campus. Branch open to all the branch candidates who are trained or certified in SAP only, it will be plus or preferred it is. So that means all the starting from 2019, 2021, 22, 20, any year of pass out or the batch candidates can apply, any branch candidates can apply, provided you must be having the basic knowledge or the certification about the SAP. So if you are interested for this off campus or specific job profile, simply click on the apply now button here, then you will be able to apply for this off campus. So it's the same process. First of all, you need to log in into their career portal, so that you will be able to apply for this off campus. So if this is the career portal, it is asking for the sign up. Otherwise, you can click on the no thanks, continue to apply. If you have already created an account, then click on the no thanks. Then it will take you to the login page where you can log in into your account, then apply for this off campus. So this is the thing. And here then again you need to click on the apply now button here. Then this is the email address and password, then sign in. So after signing in, it will automatically fetch all the details like a resume you have already uploaded in their in their career portal. Automatically it will fetch all the basic details, experience, qualification, etc. It will automatically fetch. You need to just at the end you need to accept some of the terms and conditions for the placement service or placement operations. So I have not created an account in this IBM portal, so that's why I'm not able to log in. I have the account, but I have forgotten the email ID and password, so that's why I'm not able to do the checking purpose. So if apart from this, if you are facing any difficulties while applying for this off campus or attending the interview in any company, you can comment in the comment section below, so that will be help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.